All right, guys, this is a live recording, 6/18/2013, 9:33 a.m. We're watching this WLT stock gapped up this morning. Stock was in play past couple of days here, and we're looking to get long over this 1247 area here. All right, so we're long right now, long at 1248.33. We're going to be working to stop around 12, around this 1225 area. All right. All right, if we could break over this 1250 area, we got to target up towards 13. All right, so this is a 5-minute chart you're looking at. I can put it up on the 1-minute chart here real quick. See, I bought the highs a little bit there, but that's all right. The stock looks like it's going to have some momentum. It already did a little tight little shake out there. So I wanted to keep a tight stop. I can actually put it down at 1236. But I'm working it around this 1225 area down here. Let it consolidate a bit. So let's keep on tracking it. It looks like there's some trouble breaking over this 1244 area. All right, if you take a look at the on the 5-minute chart, you have the 200-day moving average right there. Here we go, guys. Watch out. WLT over this 1250 is going to go here. All right, so we're long 300 shares at 1248. Again, waiting for it to lift these 50s. If it could lift these 50s, you get some nice traction here. You can take a look at my screen. You see on the right screen, you have the 15-minute chart. Next resistance is around 13. That's a target we're looking for a move over 13. You got the 50s lifting now. You can see the nice little green tape action is moving pretty nice and steady. Again, just want to see it hold this 1250 bid. If it can hold this 1250 bid, we can get some traction. All right. If you take a look at the SPY here. Let me bring the screen over here. You take a look at the SPY. SPY has gapped up a little bit above the opening price. We do have some resistance right here around 164.80, so I'd be a little bit worried about that. All right, we have a nice little gap up in the Qs as well. Nice little gap up in the IWM. All right, so nice little gap up in the IWM. Nice little gap up in the Qs. Nice little gap up in the SPY. WLT still giving me some trouble right here. Having trouble breaking over the 1250s. So there's some sellers up there. That's an ugly bar on the 1-minute chart. They may even try to take it down towards the 1210 just to recheck this little double bottom down here. But let's see. So we know there's some sellers at 1250. Had trouble breaking over 1250. Trying to see where some buyers come in at. This thing breaks below 1225. I'm stopped out. No, don't do it. These bastards are going to break the 25. Nope, 25s didn't get hit. Let's go. So we got some buyers down there at 1225, some sellers at 1250. So we really got a little 25 cent spread going on. Not bid and ask wise, but off the tape wise between the spread of the action here. So this candlestick hit a low of 1226. Means there are people buying pretty strong right in front of that 1225. This thing gets back over 1250 next go around. This thing should be able to make it over the highs. Again, we're still looking for that target of 1306. Market's moving up to the top side right here. I'll show you guys what the ES is doing here. I'm recording this video live. It's 9:37 a.m. and we are at the Wall Street trading headquarters down here in Miami, Florida. If you are a trader in the South Florida area, you can come by and check out the office. All right, so let's see what's going on here. So There's some buyers down there at 12.25. We did not go recheck that little double bottom down there at 12.10. We made this little higher pivot low so far. So let's see if we get back over these 12.50s. If we get back over these 12.50s, we should get some nice traction here. All right. Again, hopefully this time the high of the day so far is 12.57. Hopefully this time we can see some nice buys with this 12.57. All right. If we continue to get rejected at 12.50, that's going to be a problem. Hey, what's going on, my friend? Hello. So we're watching the tape action. You can see the tape's moving pretty decent here. You know, 49's going off. You got 46's going off. 48's going off here. Still got that seller at 12.50. That's a 5-minute chart you're looking at. Let me go back on a 1-minute chart here now. All right. Hess is moving. Hess is about to go. I got another trader on the desk watching Hess. So let's see. Looks like there's still a seller in that 12.50 area. Still a seller in the 12.50 area. Let's go back to a 5-minute chart here. So you got sellers at 12.50. You have buyers at 12.26. We're still trading this little 25-cent range action between the buyers and the sellers. A little battle going on. You know, kind of feels like they want to bring it down to this little 12.10 area and recheck this little double bottom. You know, if they do that and we hold out, it'll probably be a good area as well. But again, I'm working to stop around 12.25. I'm only risking about 23 cents on this trade, so 23 cents to try to make 50 or something. This WLT can't break past this 1250s. Keeps on getting rejected. But on the 1-minute chart, you can see it's forming like a little wedge, like a little tight little pattern there. You go to the 1-minute chart, little action right here. So every dip it comes down, they're buying it. Once again, now instead of buying the 25s, they bought the 32s. So now we have a low right here. We have a higher pivot low. We have a higher pivot low. They're stair stepping it higher. Again, we got to get over this 1250 and hold the 1250. All right, see some nice action going on with the tape. A lot of green prints going off here. Again, we want to see a high bid hold above this 1250. All right, got our 15-minute chart over here. Not doing much right now, as you can see. Let me put the pre-market on this one right here. All right, so pre-market there. All right. Watch this. Watch the WLT if it gets back. Hopefully, if it gets back over like these 1246s, it can move back up towards those 1252s. Got some size showing on the bid. Edge X right there. Over this 1245, over this little opening price of this little inverted hammer right here, we can get some traction. There's a battle going on. Got some sellers trying to sell in front of the 1250. You have buyers trying to buy in front of the 1225. All right. Watching the price action on the tape. A lot of red going off right now. We're along from this, unfortunately, from this 1248 area, but the tape action is still pretty good, so still feeling a little bit confident in the trade. It's making higher lows, but again, little battle going on right here between the 1245 and 1233 area. Working a stop around the 1225. Let's see what happens. All right, so our action on the ES, guys. What are you guys trading in the room? Anybody trading anything in the room here? I'm trying to make this little live recording. Hopefully this trade works, because if it doesn't, I'm not going to put it up. WLT, I like it to 1316. Okay, Claw. Yeah, we're watching. You know, I'm long from, unfortunately, I'm long from 1248 half. I was trying to buy the momentum move right there, and it pulled back in, but I put on the right side, so it's not hurting me at all, really. I got like 23 cents of risk. Looking to try to make 50 cents with a little 2-to-1 trade, but again, this trade goes below 12.25, I'm gonna get stopped out. It looks like the sellers aren't going to let it happen. So, I just put my stop in right now. So working to stop 12.24. It's in now. And so again, we still got these buyers down here around the 12.26 area. We have those sellers up there around the 12.45 area, 12.50. And you know, the stock's just chopping around right now. You can tell in the 1-minute chart how choppy it is. Let's take a look at our 5-minute chart here. 5-minute chart, same thing. Talking about the WLT trade, guys. I'm trying to do this nice little video here, showing some tape action on it, but still chopping around. I got them long 12.48, stop 12.24. Got some buyers down there. Today's big FOMC day starts today. I believe we may have some news come out intraday throughout the session where they talk about little pieces that they're throughout the day. But definitely tomorrow we'll have the press conference with the Fed president, or Ben Bernanke, and we'll go from there. Watch this WLT again here. On the 1-minute chart, looks like it's forming like a little downward bull channel a little bit now. Got the 1-minute chart, guys. Looks like it's forming a nice little downward type of bullish channel there. Let's see if we get it back above these 12.45s. Watch this WLT, Irv. It's back over 12.45. Want to see it break above 12.50 and hold a high bid. All right, guys. So there's definitely some buyers down there. Again, this we came down to that 12.25 area and they bought it right back up. The 15-minute chart with the pre-market action on it still looking pretty good. We're going to get a 15-minute buy trigger over the high here. So over 12.57, this thing could get some traction. What you got, Irv? Anything? What price you picked up? I know you got a discount, right?
46s, yeah.
Oh, you got 46s. Okay.
I have 41s, but I got stopped down.
All right. Yeah, WLT. We're watching WLT. It gapped up this morning. It was in play yesterday. Had a gap in it today. Looks like it could hit 13 if the buyers try to move it up here. But you got some sellers on the tape around 12.50. Have a lot of buyers down there around the 12.25 area. So a little 25-cent battle going on here. Yeah. Looking for a move up, unless they try to fade it. Stock's weak on the daily. Like the gap up they had this morning, though. A lot of white prints going off between the bid and the ask here. Yeah, we need to see a nice little high bid hold above these 12.45s. All right, taking a look at the 1-minute chart. Nice little downward type of channel action that happened there. And now we're trying to hold a little high base at this 12.35. So let's see. Market's definitely not helping us, though. Got the Dow Jones up 39 points. The CompQ's up 8 1/4. The Russell 2000's up 1.5 points. S&P's up close to 2 points. TLT's down 40 cents. Dollar strong, and the FXE's positive and the UEP's positive. Commodities are weak this morning except for crude oil. And we're just chopping around here. Nothing going on right now. If I bring down my other screen, this is the screen from the chat room, folks. This is the screen that we usually show here in the room. All right, so we're going to continue watching this tape action. Again, this is a live recording. We're already 14 minutes in the video, and the stock has not played out like I wanted to do yet, even though now we're going back up to these 50s. Hey, watch this. Watch the WLT taking out the 50s. We take out 57. It's going to trigger a buy signal on the 15-minute chart. All right. You guys see the buy signal on the 15-minute chart. Sideways action over from the gap up, and a nice little candle here over 57. We're going to be looking for this thing to take off to the top side. Hopefully these sellers that are on this 12.50 area will get out of the way so we can See this thing start to work out. I'm not gonna put together this good video for you guys, but we're still waiting patiently. Again, I did not get the best feel because I was looking for that momentum move. You know, I put my stop down here at 12.25 the first time. It didn't get hit, and then I moved it to 12.24. But just shows you how the buyers are in this stock here. So now it's working out a bit for us. We're looking for a move up towards 13. You guys see the video live and direct here. Look at the tape action, moving, much faster. Seeing a lot of green going off here. Again, we want to see this high bid above 12.50 and see this momentum pick up. See the volume coming in here. So keep an eye on the price action. Keep an eye on the price action here. Let's go back to a 5-minute chart here real quick now. All right. Looks like the 200-day moving average on the 5-minute charts was kind of keeping us down here. We're chopping around that 200. Again, but once we start holding this high bid above 12.50, that'll be pretty good. What's that? Yeah, we got to see that nice little high bid hold above 12.50. Or better yet, 12.45. If you look at the 1-minute chart, 12.45 is the area that was acting as resistance. So now that it broke over, as long as we go hold above that 12.45, the high bid, we should see this thing continue to kind of grind higher right now. It's a real battle going on in this stock. You know, some people want to smash this stock and some people want to buy it because they think it's at a discount. All right, and I'm not sure what the news was for the gap up. I'm going to check my news feed right now and see why they gapped up. Maybe they got upgraded. All right, I just know it's a depressed stock. You know, it's a depressed buy stock for some people that are looking to buy it. It's probably so cheap that some value investors might like it. But again, we're not here to make value in the value investment trades. We're active traders. So WLT came out this morning. Morgan Stanley came out this morning at 7:29, making positive comments. Overweight WLT price target of 47. All right, the firm states although the company is adamant about not raising equity, they see almost 200% upside to $35 a share, even if the company dilutes shareholders by increasing share count by 1/3. Firm also believes the company will be able to work with its banks to obtain covenant relief and liquidity remains sufficient. Okay, so see, we're going back up towards the highs. 1260s, the level that we're watching here. Again, we got a price target of 13. Trade's working out for us. 1265 is going off. Look at the price action on the tape, guys. 1267 is going through. 1268. You're starting to see big orders go through. 1600, 5,000. Got some big size coming here. Again, I don't have huge size right now. I only have 300 shares. All right, just keeping it light in the morning here so far. All right, we're involved from 1248. We're involved from 1248, and our first target is up here towards 13 from the little breakdown that I had yesterday. All right, so let's keep this video rolling. And again, this is a trade that we're taking on our live chat room. If you have not been to our live chat room yet, it is My Wall Street TV. See everybody's in here, a couple guys in here. Usually have more traders in there, but looks like some people probably took the day off because of Fed. So let's see. We're just tracking this in the 1 minute. Let's go back to the 5-minute now since we're in the trade here. Well, you got the 48 Irvs? 46s. All right. All right, so let's see. You got a good live video here showing them a little bit of action in the room that we got going on. Let's go back to that 1-minute chart. All right. The 1-minute chart, little flag action going on. Look, this was a breakout of a 1245. Little pennant action trying to take place there. Let's go back towards these highs, guys. Buyers are in control on this stock now. Looking for 1270. All right, on the 15-minute chart, the 200-day moving average is around 1362. I got some 1273s going off here. Nice action. Irv, you in this, right? Nice action. 1282s going off. All right, 1287s. All right, let's see here. I'll put in 200 out to sell at put in 200 out to sell at 1293. I got two orders. I got two lots out to sell at 12.93, and then I'll be able to just keep one lot on with break even or something. Hopefully, you can get to those 90s. Again, let's go back over the trade here. WLT gapped this morning from that Morgan Stanley news. Held the 1225 level pretty clean. We saw the 1250, the 1245 area. Some sellers were up there. We talked about there being a little 25-cent battle between buyers and sellers here. We broke out the range. Volume came in. All right. Again, unfortunately, I got involved in this trade right here at 1248 looking for that momentum move. But at the same time, I knew my risk was 25 cents, and I knew I could put a stop down here at 1225, 1224. And, now I'm long from 1248. We had this nice little downward channel action kind of form here. That's when the volume came in, and now we can put a break-even stop if we want. All right, I didn't sell none up there yet because I'm trying to get some 93s off, and hopefully, this momentum can continue in the name. We got the market working for us a bit here, and we have some traders in the room calling end-tap calls. Gary got some end-tap calls. George Sleeve says SCTY's ripping. Morning, Coop. What's going on, George? So let's see here. I'll be back. Let me pause the video right now. I'll be back to update you guys on this trade in a few here. Wait 1 second. Look at that big seller right there, EdgeX, trying to get rid of 30,800 shares on the offer. So let me get this. Let me get at 74. Yeah, I'm gonna keep the video rolling here, guys. They took him out. They took him. All the shares went through, or he moved it off the offer.
No, they took them.
All right. So they took him, the 74s. But now you got EdgeX, somebody showing EdgeX at 1272, showing 16,072s.
Looks like he took it off because I'm not seeing it.
Yeah, it looks like it took it off, like that was just showing like that was a fake order. See, this is a plus with that with buying some decent prices and getting in before the real momentum kicks in. Obviously, sometimes you could get burnt if you buy the momentum near the highs and it's a real trap and there's not a real bid in the stock. All right, or sometimes you could, maybe sometimes you may have to sit through a little pullback and then it'll start working for you. I hope we didn't miss an opportunity to sell up there. I'm gonna be pissed. All right, it's all right. We're on the 1 minute chart. We're coming back into the rising 8 right here. Let's see if this holds. All right, guys. I should have sold some at that 1285 level, but I didn't. That's called being greedy. Damn it. All right, so let's keep the video rolling. The market's looking pretty good, guys. 1638. Over 1638, we're going to be looking for a move back up towards 1639 on the ES. Remember yesterday, that 1640 was a key level that we were watching yesterday. Okay. This is our chart from the chat room. We got the 5-minute ES on the right-hand side. We have the 15-minute in the middle, and we have the 30-minute on the left right here. And then on my other screen, which I don't show in the chat room, we have my proprietary channel system on the 60-minute chart, the ES, which has some good action on it. If you guys been tracking the video, guys, you guys know how I track the channels. So nice little pop back up. All right, they bought that first pull back into the rising 8 EMA on the 1 minute chart. Me and my guys, we have some orders out to sell at 1293. You got your orders out at 1293, right? We got some orders out at 1293. Hopefully we could get the little flash up there to get that off. You got some sellers still at this 1285 level. It's got to be patient. The chart says that they could go to 13, so we're going to try to get to 13 because if we break over 13, the stock's so cheap right now, so depressed on the daily charts. They got smashed recently a lot, so this thing could definitely get a nice bid in it if they got some real buyers behind the stock today. All right, but at the same time, now we could raise our stop to this little pivot low that we have right here on the 1. So now we could raise our stop to 1263, so we could raise our stop to 1262. And hopefully it doesn't stop us out. So 1262, raising my stop. I got my stop in there. I got an order to sell out. Again, this is a live recorded video from our intraday live chat room, mywallstreettv.com. All right, reporting live from our Wall Street trading office down here in Miami, Coral Gables, Florida. If you're a prop trader, you're interested in joining our firm, you can contact me at ccooper@wallstreettrading.com. So we got our stop in from the high pivot low. Unfortunately, we got a little bit greedy that we did not put an order to sell at these 1285s, 1287s. And we're just going to keep on trailing the pivots on it. All right, we're working off this pivot low. We get stopped out, well, then we'll look for some cheaper prices to buy it. All right, just wanted to show you guys this. I just wanted to bring you guys this live video this morning, show you guys the type of the action, some of the action that we got going on over here. All right. So again, we made the mistake of not putting an order out there to sell at least a piece of our profit. It's all right. All right, we got James Saracino in the room. He's another moderator in the room here. More people logging in. Yeah, what's going on, James? I'm doing a live recorded video right now. This WLT trade. We're long from 12:48. I'm gonna put it on I'm gonna put it on the YouTube afterwards. Show these people what we do over here in the chat room. All right, so we showed you guys some of the tape action. We identified that there's a seller at 1250. There was a buyer down there at 1225s. How do we know that the bid was strong down there at 1225? Because I mean, 1225 is a decent level to work off. It's a quarter level, and it stopped on that level to the T. It didn't even go down to 1224, tick down there or nothing. At least not these two times right here. So that gave us more confidence in the trade, and now we're back up near the highs, and now we have our orders to get hit at 1293, which are getting taken out right now. All right, so you got the 1293s going off. Come on, this thing, my order's out there. I don't have my order out there. I canceled it. I'm just going to sell it manually here. So taking one lot off here. Oh, crap, I just bought some more. Oh, there we go. I'm taking one lot off here at 1290. Let me see here. I got that off at 1292. I just sold one lot, Irv. 1292. So I got two on. If we get a nice break to 13, we're going to get a nice little whole number pop here. All right, we're at our first target. 1303 is coming up on the docket here. Nice buyers in this name. You can tell there's some nice institutional order flow here. 1305s. Great video here I'm going to have for you guys. Showed you guys the tape action and everything. All right, 1305 is going off. The next target on this stock looks to be around 1320. Got 1304s. All right. So you had some rejection out here at this 1310. And we pop back up above 13. I'm going to be selling another piece here. Huh? I don't have orders. I'm just going to sell it manually. I'm taking out that stop down there. I'm stopping it on. I'm trailing it on the 1 minute candle now. At least one lot. So I'm putting a stop for one lot at 1290. You heard, Irv? You got me? So we got one stop at 1290, guys. Stopping it on this little 1 minute candle low right here. You see I got rid of one lot right there. Actually, I bought that. That was a mistake. Then I sold two right there. I didn't mean to buy. I meant to actually hit the sell button. I messed up on my hotkey. You know what? I'm selling another lot right here at the whole number. So I got one more lot left, guys. You guys can see what the action we have going on down here. All right, so I got 100 shares left. I started with 3. You know, nothing crazy. You know, just taking the first trade of the day. Of course, some of you guys that you know, have some cojones. You guys could buy a boatload of shares if you want. But I like to have a little more conviction on the price action. So got a nice expansion candle here over the breakout. Maybe we try to flag up here and get another little push up. So we got one lot left on, and we're just going to trail this one.
What's the average price on that lot?
On mine's, my average price is 12. My average price is 12.59. It was 12.48, but when I went to use a hotkey to sell one, I actually hit the buy one. So then I went back and sold 2. Now I got one left that I'm trailing from the from the one. I just got out of it right there. Just hit me. All right, guys, that was a trade. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys saw us read the price action on the tape. guide some of the traders in the mywallstreettv.com trading room through the trade. And if you're interested in taking trades like this, go to wallstreettrading.com and contact us so you can be a prop trader with us. Have a great day. Catch you guys in the afternoon for the midday market video. Cheers.